The German Institute of Development and Sustainability, in short IDOS, is turning 60.
Since 60 years, we conduct high-quality research, independent policy advice. We're engaged in knowledge cooperation and training, and in our 3 training programs, we bring together young and mid-career professionals from Africa, from the large and influential middle-income countries, and from Europe.
In our research, policy advisory activities and our knowledge cooperation and training programs, we aspire to shape a constructively cooperating multipolar world that indeed assures that there are sustainable futures, so futures within the planetary boundaries, futures within the planetary boundaries organized in a socially just manner. So let's come together and celebrate. We are turning 60.